If you're dealing with annoying pop-ups and redirectors in the Opera browser, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to block them using Opera's built-in privacy and security settings. This is a quick and simple fix that can make your browsing experience cleaner, safer, and a lot less frustrating. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump into Opera and get this set up properly. First, click the Opera logo in the top left corner of the browser. This opens the main menu. From there, select Settings. If you want, you can also use the Settings search bar later, but for now, we'll do this step by step so it's easy to follow. Once you're in Settings, look at the left sidebar and click Privacy and Security. This is where Opera keeps most of its protection tools, including site permissions, ad blocking, tracker blocking, and other privacy controls. Now scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. Site settings is where Opera controls what websites are allowed to do, including showing pop-ups or using redirects. After that, scroll down to the content section. In this section, you'll find the option called pop-ups and redirects. Click on that to open the control page. This is the key setting that tells Opera how to handle websites that try to force new tabs, open extra windows, or send you to another page without your permission. Now select the option that says, "Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects." This is the most important step in stopping unwanted pop-ups and suspicious redirects. Once this is enabled, Opera will block most websites from interrupting your browsing with those annoying interruptions. If you ever need to allow a trusted site later, you can always come back and change this setting, but for everyday browsing, keeping this turned off is the safest choice. Next, we're going to make Opera even better at protecting you. Scroll all the way back up to the top of the privacy protection section. Here you'll see extra security features that help reduce ads, trackers, and other unwanted web behavior. Toggle on block ads and browse the web up to 3 times faster. This can help remove a lot of annoying advertising clutter while also making pages feel cleaner and sometimes faster to load. Then toggle on block trackers. This helps stop websites from following your activity across the web and can also reduce the amount of hidden background behavior that sometimes contributes to redirects and unwanted prompts. Together, ad blocking and tracker blocking create a much safer browsing experience. Now click Manage Lists underneath those options. This is where you can fine-tune Opera's blocking protection. Make sure NoCoin, which is cryptojacking protection, is checked. This helps protect your browser from websites that try to secretly use your device's resources for crypto mining. Also, make sure your local language lists are checked, since those lists improve ad blocking and filtering for sites in your region. Once everything is enabled, you can simply close the Settings tab and start browsing normally. At this point, Opera should be much better at blocking pop-ups, preventing redirects, and protecting you from many of the annoying things that can happen while you're online. If you're still seeing issues on a specific site, that site may have special permissions or be using extensions, but for most users, these settings will fix the problem right away. So that's how to remove pop-ups and redirectors in Opera browser using the built-in privacy and security tools. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more browser tips, software tutorials, and simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.